This is a trading aid. What it does is that it helps you trade a needle. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a trading aid today. Right? So you have a needle. You have a needle with a hole, right? The eye of the needle. So what you need to do is the trading aid has this fine, can you see this fine steel here? Fine steel. You need to let this steel be guided by your finger into the needle, the eye of the needle. Right? So because it is bigger, it's easier to guide it. Once gone through like this, the steel, okay, let's see whether you can see the steel. It has gone through the eye of the needle. Can you see? Okay, then because that aid is much bigger, you can actually, here, because it is bigger, right? So for it to go through is much easier. Once it's gone through, you just need to pull it through and you would have threaded your needle. Just like that. One more time, I just show you. This is your needle trading aid because it has a fine wire here. So you use it to go through the eye of the needle. Once it's gone through, because it is bigger, it's easier to let your thread go through here. Okay? Sorry. So once it has gone through, right? Gone through, then you just pull through and you would have threaded your needle. So today is a demo on a hand sewing needle. Another day I will show you how to use this trading aid to help you thread your sewing machine. If your sewing machine does not have an auto threader to help you thread the needle, you can also use this trading aid to help you thread your sewing machine needle. Okay, in a separate video I will show you how to do that.